Hi everybody, this is Serbshire. Finally back with another unboxing. It feels like it's been a long time since I unboxed a pair of shoes. Here we have another pair of Jordan Air Ship. And I want to start with saying that my box was damaged. That the Jordan Air Ship is my favorite model at the moment for many reasons. I highly recommend them to people because they are comfortable, but mainly because they are cheap for everybody else except for me. The box damage a lot actually. Uh, yeah, the box is really damaged. So yeah, what I wanted to say is that one of the reasons why I recommend the shoes is because they are good in general, fit good, comfortable, yada yada yada. They are better than the Air Jordan ones and cheaper for you in US. Here in Sweden, they often go on sale and then they are cheap, but I have never bought them on sale. And I usually buy them, if I can buy them on retail. They're more expensive here in Sweden on retail than they are via StockX on resale. And these from Maniere, a brand that I sort of don't like, you know, the thing that's happened recently. Uh, so yeah, about the Air Chip, Jordan brand really seemed to focus on the Air Chip. Um, they do cool collabs. They give us great quality of the shoes. Paper and paper and paper. Uh, Details on the boxes, like here on the inside, and we have on all of the box we have the ace. Oh yeah, they smell nice. The quality is good. Cool little keychain. So everything, oh, they're nice. Everything about the Air Ship is good. Yeah. But what I wanted to say is that the retail price in Sweden is higher than the resale price in the rest of the world. And these I I got them from Amamanier's raffle the 24th of March, maybe 23rd. And they got here today, April 6th. And shipping was kind of expensive, $40. And then I had to pay taxes to get them into Sweden. So these ended up being kind of expensive. And the thing with these shoes is that they're supposed to look vintage, patina. So the green sole is sort of pale, looks dry, but I must say I have a bunch of old shoes and I have no Air Jordan 1s that has piss stains because they're old. And the corners of the leather have same yellow thing. And I don't get that at all. And even the laces, one of the laces. All right, so we have white on the shoes and we get them with green. I'm probably going with green. And we have these piss stained laces. How are old laces getting stains like that? I'm guessing it's supposed to be dried glue stains or something, but I have no shoes at all that looks like that because they are old and unused. None. Long hair suede that I actually thought were going to be softer. They called it something else, not long hair suede. Something else. But I like them. My plan was to see if I can get the yellow off the sole. I think I'm going to do that. But then it might even look worse with the part that I can't remove. You see this line here. So yeah. But they smell wonderful. Yeah. So I have another pair of Airship coming home that I bought via StockX. And I have raffled on the Awake pairs here in Sweden. And in Sweden, the retail price is $190, $195 maybe. And for you in US, it's $140. It's quite a difference. But I really do like the Airship. Some people claim that you need to go up half a size, go up a size. No. This is true to size. They are just like a pair of Air Jordan 1. It's just that they're more comfortable if you have wide feet, as I do, because of these parts. Oh yeah, man, these are nice. No matter what you think about a Maniere, if you get these for $140, there is nothing to think about. Smell nice, feel nice, look good. I've seen pictures and videos where they look darker green in the color. Here they look Boston green, washed green, dusty green, and they even look uneven green. So this one is darker than this one, but as said, it's supposed to look patina, but I can't understand the yellow part at all. But I don't want to complain. It's just that, as usual, I got them too expensive. Really, really nice. But we have this thing again with right shoe and left shoe, different quality. So the left shoe that have the A in the heel instead of the Nike Air, where the two swooshes end up, I hope you can see that, they are not in line. Yeah, it's supposed to look like this. So the swooshes meet and the heel in line, and they don't do that on this shoe. And I don't care about the broken box because I throw them away anyway. But when I pay not double retail, but no, not double retail, but almost double retail, just do the shoes good. But to be clear, once again, if you can buy a pair of Airship for $140, all of them are good. I have a couple of them, and I'm super happy with all of them. The green ones, these might be the best quality shoes ever. Amazing shoes. And I thought that the suede on these were going to be like this. Oh man, these were so nice. Are so nice. And that Jordan brand are doing nice collabs like those corporates. And with these. So they care about the airship model. And I'm really happy about that. Because here in Sweden now, a pair of Air Jordan 1 is the same price. No, not slight the same price as the other Air Jordans, but they're more expensive than the old price of Air Jordans. So Air Jordan 1s today in Sweden are $245. Yeah. And the rest of them are $265. So for that reason, I highly recommend the airship for every reason. I'm gonna tie them up with the green laces. They would look maybe better with the white laces, but I'm starting off with the green laces. And about the piss stains, I don't know. When they get dirty, I'm going to clean them, and when I'm going to clean them, then I'm probably really going to clean them, because I don't think that will do any difference if I try to remove the yellow paint now or later on. So for now, I'm going with green laces and piss stains. Very nice leather. And the other ones that I have on the way home are called something with blue. And then I don't like the Awakes one, but everybody say that the leather on those are best ever. So that's why I'm curious about the Awakes one. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you what they look like with the green laces, but that's it. Subscribe, comment, like, comment whatever you want, because that makes a difference. I actually think they would look better with white laces, but I have a bunch of white shoes and I like green sneakers. And I said I'm gonna start off with this and probably stay like this. But they would look better with standard white laces. But this is how I'm going to rock them. This thing irritates me. You see how crooked that is? But otherwise, really nice sneaker. It's too bad that I paid twice retail, more or less.